Previously, Grilla went to Bulgaria.
If you guys are coming to Dachstein with no double corks, I'm not gonna talk to you. We came back from Bulgaria and it was amazing. We had spring weather, just beautiful, sick park, and we were just riding around and having a blast. So after that we started doing this project with Red Bull and spring just went away.
I came to Ljubljana and I was on every building. It was weird, it was really weird.
The idea was to project snowboarding onto buildings in super slow-mo and film a time-lapse of it to achieve a pretty cool effect. So we were filming the whole nights for a week and we just had the worst weather ever. It was -5 and snowing pretty much the whole time and nothing really worked out.
Nah, I'm just kidding.
Next time on the Grilosodes, we're flying to Cali.